All right, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Bill Break and Fix. We are back after taking one day of rest. Um, I'm pretty sure we feel really refreshed now, and guess the productivity will be higher now. But yes, if you're new here, we are Lord Coders, which means that we are a team of two developers from Melbourne, and we're working on a project which adds persistent storage to the current open source project called Scrambler CA. Cool. So on Friday, we finished the middleware, and today we are supposed to get into a backend a little and see what stuff's going on there. Cool. So how are you feeling today, Zen?
We're feeling pretty good, Kay, and thanks always for an amazing introduction. So today, I guess what we're going to be doing is we will be adding another method in the backend and in the middleware called was it update the board, right? By name.
Yes, update the board
Not
name.
by ID, I meant.
Update the board name.
Yeah, update the board name.
Yeah,
That's all. So without any further ado, let's go and start the fun part, which
yep,
is
for sure. Which is what? Which is coding.
coding.
Yeah.
Coding.
Um, do you wanna first go ahead and update the Jira board before we get it?
That's exactly what I was gonna do. So I'm just gonna share my screen,
Hmm?
and yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna share my screen. Come on, mate. Share my screen. I wanna share screen too. Yeah, there we go. Cool. And I'm gonna get my thing there. Jira, boom, there you go, and just log in the account. Um, yeah, it was this one, I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
There you go, and I think it's this.
Hmm.
Let's see if it's not that one. I can always try another one.
Yeah, for
All right,
sure.
perfect. All right, cool. So this is it. I'm gonna just zoom in a bit. Here we go.
Yeah, that helps.
Jira software, that one is there, and change patch board name backend. Right, cool.
Yep.
So this is the one we have to do. I'll assign that to myself.
Yep.
Cool. Now let's get
Make it in
started.
make it in progress. You didn't make it in progress. So
Ah,
whenever
I
you're
forgot.
doing a ticket,
Yeah,
you'll have to
it,
say that
yeah,
I'm already doing it.
yeah. And I think they would be a really great idea if every time we start a stream, as in right at the start we visit this Jirabo, and right at the end we visit it as well to track
Yeah.
our program. What do you reckon?
Yeah, for sure. And I guess it's not about like starting an NS, it's about starting and ending a task. Like even
Yeah,
if we haven't ended a stream and you have completed the backend, this
true.
function, then you just go ahead and do it.
Yeah,
So
absolutely. So that's always considered best practice. And right, cool. So get a particular board. We don't need that. We wanna. Okay, so the method can come over here, and I'll just basically do a create a board, as in just copy and paste this. No, 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 no. I
no,
need to come
just
down
just write a
and
function.
mhm,
Just write a function.
that's actually a better idea. Router dot update. Here we go, and URL,
Yep.
and plus um URL, and then what was it? Board ID, isn't it? Hang on,
What
what's in that one?
You're not
No,
writing
what am I
the
doing? I'm not in the
you're not
middleware.
writing the middleware.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
bad, my bad.
Right.
Create a
Do
new.
you router.patch? Right, router.patch. Oh yeah, update. Yeah, sorry.
Why not update?
Yeah, sorry. Then write board and board ID.
Board and board ID. Okay, and then this one. What
Yep.
comes after this? Oh, we need to pass cause as well, isn't it?
Hmm.
Cause. That cause option was it? Yeah.
Yes.
Cause options. And then request response. Then open up a
Uh,
function here.
you make it async.
Yeah, I was gonna do that
No.
afterwards.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Sync is. There's something wrong here.
Go down. Go down. I know what's happening wrong.
Ah, I forgot that error. It's
Okay.
an error function. That's
Yep.
one. Right,
You
I'm
know,
just gonna zoom out a bit.
yeah, it's
Just
better if we write it without seeing in the other functions, then we'll know how
yeah,
to write
yeah.
it.
True, true. Okay,
We-
so now what we need to do is
if statement
we,
to
we need
see if
to do if um what was it? The board ID.
Mhm. Yep. In
Board ID in request or params. If it's not there,
yep.
then we simply put the board ID equals as an empty string. But if it is there,
Hmm.
then we basically do board ID should come from the request or params dot board ID.
The other one.
H.
Like which one
There
is it?
you go. To be honest, I'm slightly confused as well, as in which
Yeah,
one should we,
we can
but
go ahead
we'll
and
find out.
yeah.
Alright, so once we have got the board ID, okay,
Yes.
then what we need to do is we need to,
Run a for loop. Or actually just do a query.
um, so that would be,
We need to get the board.
yeah, so I'll do params equal, or we need to query it, isn't it?
Yes.
So table name would be table itself,
Yep.
and yeah, that's all. Table name. Oh, no, we need a key as well.
Yep. And don't forget the key.
Yeah. We need the key as well, then actually it should be board ID, isn't it?
Hmm.
Then board, pass in that board ID.
Hmm.
Okay, once we have got the board, then we do a board
Yep.
equal to await,
Yep.
then get the document or client, and then query. I don't think that this is gonna work.
Well,
I need to change something here. How do we use the query again?
we
I
can
forgot.
go up and see. Like we don't have to if we're yeah.
Uh,
Just search the word query.
Actually, my keyboard is still not functioning properly, so I need to use other keys first and then to do that.
Hello, get dev. Hey,
Alright, board.
get some water in the gullet.
What's happening, geezer? Mm-hmm.
Yes. I'll get some water as well.
Alright. So we need to give a condition expression and
Hmm.
expression attribute values. Right.
Yeah.
Where were we? Where were we? Not there. Update specific note. Create special no. Delete. Yeah, here we go. So that one's done.
Yep.
And that one should be key condition expression, and this has to be the board ID.
Hmm.
Was I keep forgetting the syntax. What was it? Key condition expression.
So Gektev asked, "Where's your poster?" Okay. It's on the way. It still hasn't arrived. It was because yesterday was Saturday, right? Like, there's no delivery happening on Saturday, and the last time we talked was Friday. So let's hope we have something good next week.
Delete update. Ah, here we go. Ah, okay. Service equals cool.
Yep.
Cool. So basically, we don't really need a key here
Hmm.
because we already have a key condition expression.
Yep.
So that one, and then this would be called board ID, and then we need also a expression attribute values.
Yep.
And then basically this one should have the variable, which is board ID equals the, in this way. Yeah,
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
way.
Exactly. Yeah.
Wow, syntax is becoming a bit challenging for me. I don't know why.
I feel like we need to make a document of
Hmm.
these things, but
Yeah,
let's focus on coding for now.
yeah, true. Okay, cool. So here we have got the table.
Hmm. Yep.
I can just write that that's quicker.
Yeah.
I promise. And then, okay, so we have got the name, the board itself now.
Yeah. We do.
So now what we have to do is we need to,
One sec. I'll be back. Just give me 1 second.
oh, what we need to do now is we just have to update the board itself, as in the board name. Right, cool. So board, let dot client. Okay, update the board. It's deleting, updating. How's he updating the note? Okay, I've got this. I've got the board, and now I need to do. I've got the board. Fine. I don't have to do that. All I need to do is set this set
Yep.
this update board. Right.
Hmm.
All I need to do is set the text of the board. That's
Yeah.
all.
It's literally like super easy.
Nothing else.
You don't need to worry about anything.
So it would be like
You have to do an update.
no. Just actually you're right. So update board name.
Yep. And that's like a param.
Mm-hmm.
Now give it the table name first. Or yeah, give it a table name. Oh no, sorry. Give it the key.
Why? We
Yeah,
shouldn't have to.
yeah. Give it the key. Give it the key conditions expression. Give it the update expression as well.
But we already have everything here.
Sorry,
We've already
I
got the
mean
board,
the
right?
update expression. That's what I mean.
Board ID. Board ID and actually we can just do that here. Here.
You're getting the board there.
Yeah, because we are getting the board here. As in we already know what it should take.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I was wondering is that why are you even getting the board?
Yeah,
Like,
true. That shouldn't be.
what's the whole point of doing a query at all?
Exactly. Exactly. You're right. So get rid of all this because we know the board
Yeah, and board ID is
ID
like the
here.
primary key. So
Exactly. Update expression, and then we can just set
yep,
um can just set.
yep,
I need to access the board name.
yep, exactly.
Board name equals board name, and then
No. Oh wait, you have to get the board name as like yeah, request the params board name. But yeah, yeah, there.
mhm, board name equals
Yep, request dot board name. Oh wait, request dot body dot board name. Sorry.
mhm, yeah, request dot body dot board name. Right, let's see if this works actually, because I'm not entirely sure.
Yep.
So that one is there, and now what we need to do is await dot client dot update
Yep.
params promise. Okay, and then what we need to send the response as status 200. Cool,
Yes. Yep.
brilliant.
Easy.
Let's
Wait, let's just before deploying.
I'm just gonna go through
Go
it
ahead.
as well. Board
Yeah.
ID. Board ID.
Yep.
Cause option. Board ID. Request sender params. Request a param board ID. Yeah, that's fine. Then if it's there, then assign it that. Table name key condition expression. Board ID says this one. Update expression. Set board name to this variable, and then get the value of this variable from the request body. And then, alright, you happy with this?
Yes.
Cool, brilliant.
Yep.
So let's save this. So how do you feel with 1 day of K?
Oh, it was just like it was so different. Literally super different. What about you?
I was actually really kind of, it was a refueling day for me.
Hmm. Yep.
as in get all my energy back,
Mm.
everything, get all my, as in fuel in the tank back,
Mm.
and now I've
But
actually started to travel.
yeah, yeah, but like I don't feel tired after like doing this session or coding.
Me too. Yeah, it's just becoming a good habit,
Hmm. So like
which is good.
yesterday, it was more like for me, like more than refilling. I was just like I was literally missing the stream. I was like, what do I do at 9:30?
Ah, right, 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 right.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
because I don't like this is relaxing for me, right? Like
right. I see. I
yeah,
see what you mean. Yeah, I basically just watched the movie with the missus. She was
yeah,
really happy, and I was
nice,
like, okay, that was the goal. Mm-hmm.
nice. That's good.
As in, be a bit relax and
Yeah.
uh, in order to become a bit more productive, that had to be done. What movie
What
did
did
you
you
watch?
watch?
We watched F9, so Fast and the Furious 9.
Oh, nice. That's
Yeah.
pretty good.
Okay, so this one is, hey, get all the boards.
With nobody, please.
Ah, what? No, no,
Interesting.
board.
There's a
Let me
compile.
just go through it again.
There's a compilation error.
Hmm?
There's a compilation error.
I know, I'm just checking.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to CloudWatch.
All right.
There we go. I am user. I'm guessing I must have missed something again. Ah,
Yep.
come on.
One thing about Zen is that he really forgets passwords.
Come on. Come on, Zane. Come on. Think. Think is just I'm trying to type too fast as well.
Yeah, could be.
No, 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 no. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I just remembered that I changed it. Yeah, there you go. All right, cloud formation, resources, lambda function. There you go. Cloud, CloudWatch. Uh, okay, where did I mess up? Root to the update. Wow, interesting. Very interesting. I should have listened to UK.
Is it router or patch? Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Hmm. Yeah, patch. I should have listened to you in the first place.
No problem. There you go.
Delete.
9112. 112. Yep. 112. Yep.
But hang on. Ah, so it didn't even compile in the first place. Right.
Hmm.
Right, right, right.
That wasn't a function.
Yeah, true.
But why am I getting a feeling that it should have compiled at least? Actually,
you
it shouldn't
give
have.
it a wrong function, why would it compile?
Because it's a
Because
scripting language.
huh?
Because it's a scripting language, I guess.
It's a wrong function still, isn't it? As in that function doesn't even belong to a language.
Hmm.
Don't you think that my camera should be a bit zoomed out?
A bit, yeah. A
Isn't
bit.
it?
For sure.
It's a bit too close.
Yeah.
I'll set that up after the stream.
Yeah, it's like really easy in OBS. You just need to zoom out a little.
Yeah.
You're using OBS only, right? The OBS
Yeah.
camera.
And that's actually connected to my GoPro.
All right. Yeah. Yep.
Cool. So do that one. Pro board. Get all the boards. There we go. Okay. Huh? Okay, cool. That's fine.
That's the notes.
Yeah. I was like, what? That many boards? I swear there weren't. Yeah.
Wait, this one work?
Notes.
This
Notes
doesn't have
on.
a board name. Post another board with a board name, please. Yes. Okay. Without a body.
I always do that. 5. Okay. Yeah. That seems to be working. So
Copy
if
the board
I
ID. Copy the board ID, please.
do that
Not working.
and
Paste it. Yep.
that one patch.
Change the board name. Yep. Not working. That's all good. Let's see the log.
Was it on 12.9.953? No, these are the old ones. This is the new one. Missing required key in. I made the same mistake again.
Literally, what? We made this on Friday? Was it? Yeah,
But
the key's in there at all.
what the key expression there? I thought
No.
query doesn't use key. Okay, cool. I thought update doesn't use key, does it?
No, the last time we made this mistake was during an update only. A note update thing. Remember?
Oh, okay. So update it uses key, but
Yeah. Query doesn't.
not key condition.
Query doesn't use key.
Okay, cool. So update uses key and query doesn't.
And you
Learning.
can see all these lists in the docs as well.
Yeah, I need to visit them properly, but let's just focus on this for now. Actually, I don't want to copy and paste things. I'll rather write them. For board ID. Board ID. There we go. Board name. Yeah, ID. Actually, we don't even need this anymore.
Aurora? Yeah. Yeah,
Huh?
that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Cool, let's do that one. Save. Build.
Remember when you used to delete the sample file every time?
Yeah.
Saves you 3 clicks now.
See, you're learning as well about
Yeah.
clicks.
I'm just talking in Zen's
Uh,
metrics.
yeah, right. Saves you 3 clicks. I like it. Okay, just waiting for the chainset to be created.
Yep.
And there you go.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and do that again and see what happens. Okay, again. What's the
Yep.
problem now?
Something in the core only was 502. That's it.
Oh, right. Okay, we don't have the patch for the board, do we?
What do you mean?
In the API gateway, we don't have the patch for the board.
You don't need a different patch for the board.
Are you sure?
We don't have a different post for the board or a different post, different delete for the board.
True.
We just have one
Yeah,
delete.
that makes sense. Um, what can it
What's the
be?
error? What's the error?
Pivot to back gateway.
No. In CloudWatch.
Oh, and nothing. It doesn't give me any errors.
Interesting.
Yeah, doesn't give me any errors.
Ah,
Let me just it's saying bad gateway, so there must be
oh,
something
I know
with
why. I think I know
what?
why.
Why?
Um, Go back to the
Back
code,
where?
to the code, and scroll down to the patch of note.
Delete.
You
Mm-hmm.
can just, yeah, there you go. Okay, let me. So you got it. Go down. Yep. Yeah, that's fine. Right. And here, go out then.
Up where?
Wait, one sec. Just one sec. So you did board nodes. Board nodes is an array.
Mm-hmm.
And how is board name stored? It's an attribute. Right. Okay. Yeah, go back to the update for the code.
Patch board name. I'm thinking it's probably because of this board ID. These are in uppercase, and
Yeah,
that's in lowercase.
maybe make it an uppercase, but that being said, why am I thinking that there's something um right, set board name.
Where's the params? Set board name.
Yeah, GegDev's kinda right. We need to stick to one naming convention. So
Why do
yeah,
you have left out?
GegDev points out that we have a
Hmm.
lot of different conventions.
Yeah,
Um
that's right though. That's probably I think one of the reasons why this we're having a lot of confusions.
yes. Right. For now. Okay.
Shall I just try this? Because I've changed these parts here. Maybe these might be the case.
Sure, you can try it. Yeah. It's
Oh, hang on a minute.
yep.
See this? It's taking in the key and I've
Yeah.
given that as a string.
Yes.
Oh,
And also I don't think so you're doing a res.send. You're not even sending anything back. That's the one thing.
what do we send back then?
Nothing.
Actually,
Nothing.
alright.
Go down one sec. What are we sending in delete? Yeah, that's fine. We don't need any of this. Send nothing. That's
Yeah,
fine.
cool.
Okie dokie.
Let's check if this works. Run the guided deployment. Da,
Hmm.
da, 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 da. There we go.
Boy, I have a quiz to do after this.
Is that part of your assignment?
Yes. It's for computing
Wow.
theory.
Oh,
Um,
furious. Right.
yeah. We're learning like Turing machines and uh, I forgot the name what we are learning. One second. Yeah.
Y-
Uh,
You're learning a lot, I can tell.
no, like the quiz happens for like the new material they teach.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I forgot what they taught us this week. Let's see.
Okay, that works apparently. What do I
Right, right. Oh,
get now?
also, if you're interested, they're teaching us Comiskey hierarchy. Oh, that works. Nice.
Yeah, that works.
What?
Whoa, whoa.
Oh,
Hang on a
wow.
minute. I am not sure. So what I'm gonna do is go to DynamoDB and delete everything, and then do that again.
Hmm.
Where are my items? Ah, view items. They've changed the structure
Oh, really? Oh.
apparently. Run? No. Where's delete?
Actions on the right. On the right. Then on the right. Yeah.
Ah, okay, cool. Okay, now do a post. Actually,
Do a get.
do a get first.
Do a get again.
This
Keep doing
can't
a
be
get.
right.
Keep doing a get. Keep sending.
Someone
Oh,
spamming us again.
that's fine.
All right.
Do a get again.
20. I
Okay.
think he stopped. He or she has stopped.
Hmm. Yes. Get there.
Oh,
That's what.
why? Why?
Just reload the page.
There's a bit of a head scratch. How? They used to be as in refresh in this console, but they've
Hmm.
taken it off now.
Yeah, AWS is. I don't know what they're doing to the UI.
Okay, do I get? Ah, again. Okay, cool.
Actually,
They've
that's
stopped
fine.
now.
We needed one board only.
Yeah, so I'll just do an experiment on this board.
We can't use this board. It doesn't have a board name.
Ah, yeah. What am I thinking? Raw board name. post. There we go. Get it. Ah, come on, Zane. Ah, come on, whoever
One.
that is.
We
Can
can
you
test.
stop, please?
We can test it without them stopping. The whole point is to test
Um,
the first one. Yep. Doesn't really matter.
okay, that one is there.
Yep.
Right,
Do
now we need a patch, body,
raw.
raw,
Yes.
dated. Okay, get none.
Yes. Yep. Yep.
It should work. Okay, cool.
There you go.
That's fine. That's pretty good. That is working. So we can go back to the code, make it a bit sexy.
Yep. While you do this, I'll go
Mhm.
ahead and write the middleware for this.
Yeah, the board.
And can you update the Jira as well, sir?
Yes, I'm gonna do that shortly. Update the board, update the board name. Okay, and I'm gonna commit this change.
Yeah.
Alright. Which
Very
branch
well.
am I on? Status. Stable bank and core. That's exactly what I need. Git add, git commit, or message name there, added a method to update the board name. Enter. One file was changed. Brilliant. And then git push. Oh. Was they created? GagDev and they created is when a note has been created, as in the particular day.
I think
And
he's mocking the spelling.
I know, but at the moment, I'm not really fussy about those kind of things. We're just working on the functionality itself, and of course, there has to be a lot of these kind of small changes. So we will be coming back to this. And thanks a lot for pointing that out. That was already in our, I think, Jira tickets, as in the small tiny issues to work on afterwards. Right. I'm gonna go to Jira board and just make sure that if that's there, because I don't want to mislead our viewers.
Someone gone.
Sorry, okay, I pressed the button to load Jira in the same tab as StreamYard, so that's what happened. I was like, no, 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 I don't need that.
That's funny.
Right, so just go ahead and update that. Jira software. Patch board name is done.
Hmm.
Done. Unassigned and done, right? Cool.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So that one's done. I'm just change the decorating the doorknob to be human readable. Ah, interesting. We don't have that issue, so it's glad that I checked. I'm gonna insert the issue.
Which one?
Change-
Oh, that one.
The spelling error that
Wait, I remember mentioning that yesterday. I guess, or was it not yesterday?
then
Did
probably I
did I not add it?
Yeah, you probably have told me to
All
add it
right.
because want to take I want to take control of
Yeah.
Jira in
Yeah.
order to learn it, but
Yep.
seems like I forgot to add it.
Yeah. No,
So
that's all
I'm
good.
just
Let's
gonna
just add
do
it
that.
for now.
Hmm. Uh, correct the spelling of date created to date created for notes. I think we might want to add another column, as in a bit of a alteration to the DB, to add the day created for the board as well. But that can come as in at a later stage.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right, cool.
Just gonna give this a test as well.
Brilliant.
Dun,
Okay, the issue has been added. I'll just bring your screen and
oh, it's already there.
make it a bit bigger. Oh, as in I wanted to see your
Oh,
screen in my big monitor.
yes. You too. Okay, so this is a big board. Jump. Okay. Let's get the big board without a body. Let's get the big board. Okay.
Hmm.
It's fine.
I'm a big board. Yeah, that's coming there.
Yes. Now let me get the ID. Down. This is a board function, so I'll make it here. Patch board name and say I am a small board.
Mm-hmm.
Python sims HTTP server. Okie dokie.
Brilliant. So let's test that one.
Yep, I'll zoom it in 1 second. Zoom in. Cool. I think it works. So in the first
Empty
go,
string.
I am a small board. Nice.
Or semiola.
Yes. Cool. I'll push this up. What's the
Yeah.
time? Can we get off at 10:30 today? If that's okay.
Yeah, I thought that was the plan.
Oh really? Oh okay. Just making
Oh,
sure.
no, hang on. Today's Sunday, isn't it?
Yes.
Ah, yes, still the weekend.
Yeah.
I know you've got the quiz. You can probably go and I'll just stay back. What
Cool.
do you
Yeah.
reckon?
Yeah. Up to you. Or we can just like, if there's not a lot of verbs, right? Like we can call it a day. It's up to you. If you wanna sit.
Alright, because I was just thinking that I need to work on a. When is this later stage? And Jagdev is asking when is this later stage? You should take a break.
Sorry. Come again.
Alright, yeah, Jagdev has allowed it, so we can knock off at 10:30.
Cool. Thank you, Andre. You saved my grades.
No, I was just pulling your leg though. As in, I don't know why I like doing that.
Hey, fair enough. Right.
Okay, cool. So that one is there. Which branch is it? Just to confirm.
Dev.
Right, cool.
What?
Yeah, that's the one I've implemented, as in the branch rule, as in dev and master, we have to approve reviews for the pull request in order to, as in, merge it.
Okay.
Isn't that?
Then
Mhm.
how do I do it?
So you can just basically you can't do a commit in dev directly anymore. So how would you do it is you will create a new branch and then commit that and then try to merge it, and which will initiate the pull request.
That's too much work for this. But I guess for dev, we don't really have to give it, right? Like, we can just tell the other people to make a new branch for whatever work they're doing, but we can keep working on dev branch. You know what I mean?
But then that would probably create, as in, conflicts in the code, as in if
Okay, but
our work is ahead but they are kind of saying not on that part,
yep.
then it might create code conflicts. And if they do accidentally commit in that branch, then all our work is gone basically.
It's not
And
gone.
that
It's just in the previous one, but yeah, I get what you mean. Um, cool.
okay,
We can do
if
another
you
branch.
wanna take that chance, I don't really mind, but we already had too many issues like that, so I just thought that
Hmm.
I'd place in the security measures so then no one can check in, as in directly in Devil
No,
Master.
I'm just curious. Like, our team is fairly small. Why aren't we just trying to tell them just don't merge into dev?
Because it can be a human error. So I mean, like how I did it the first time that I didn't. I mean, I forgot to check that if I'm already on
Mm.
the that branch or not.
Yeah.
I'm not saying same thing will happen, but same thing can happen. As in, a person might be in a rush or he accidentally presses
Yeah.
enter and then boom, all the
Yeah.
work is overridden.
Yeah. Yeah. That's true.
That's why only.
E. Spinning a branch. SB was it? Yeah.
Just to get checkout, that will act as two commands in one. Minus
Hmm.
B.
I'll make this stable middleware then.
Yeah, minus B though.
Oh, sorry.
Minus B after the checkout. And now you can commit that and merge it into dev, and that will automatically create a pull request on
I need to
dev.
pull the branch first. Um, 1 second.
What are you
Hmm.
thinking?
No, nothing. I was just pushing the branch.
Okay.
Like stable middle there. Eee. All right. Yeah, I think that's fine. Let's try.
Alright, if you wanna go to that branch and then just git merge git merge the stable middleware probably.
Hmm.
However is easier for you.
Yeah. Okie dokie. Yep. Enhancement. Oh, not in the main. Go away. Actually, I can change it from here. To dev. Yeah.
So if you assign me the review, because another skill to measure is that you need at least
Yep.
you need to approve reviews
Yep.
to
Yep.
to be able to merge it.
Huh.
So
How do I assign you the review?
go to the I can't see your screen properly. It's too zoomed out. Uh, can you see the reviews on the right hand side? Right, bottom. There we go. Uh, click on settings. Mm-hmm. Assign it to me. Yeah, that's
Yep.
all.
Okay.
And I'll approve that. Hang on a minute. I know that it is a bit of a pain
Yeah.
as well,
No.
but it's for as in the freeze and that I don't want to go back to those issues again now.
Yeah. So GetDev says, can you get other devs onto the stream please next time? Yes. So I've been actually working on this a lot. I've been reaching out to a lot of people on LinkedIn, my other connections as well. So soon we'll be getting a tech lead from a really big gambling company. And next month I'll be able to get this person who works as a solutions architect in the US. So they said they were interested as well, but I'm not revealing any names. But yes, for sure.
Hmm.
In a few
Andre
days,
requested changes.
you're gonna
Interesting.
expect some people on the stream for sure. What's up? What happened?
Interesting. I like Andre's comments. I'll share my screen with you
I am
because
seeing those. I'm seeing those.
he actually
I'm,
commented on your thing, patch board name. Why is this hard coded?
oh, it's hardcore because the front end needs to send it. This is for testing purposes only. But when the front
Do you
end
want to
works,
reply him in the comment?
yeah, sure. Mhm.
To be honest, I'm liking this method now.
Sorry.
I'm liking this method now.
Yeah. I mean, you can practically see my reply here.
Yeah, yeah. And no, the only reason why I should have commented because it will be in the history. So if we wanna go back to it, it will be there. Function works. The function works on it right now. We worked on the middleware first, so
Okay. There you
Good
go.
job. So let's just wait for Andre to approve it. If it's happy, then that means that we'll get two approved reviews, and then it'll be, I guess, eligible to be merged in.
Very good. Andre can review it. Really?
Of course, he just did. It's
Oh, all right. Yeah,
open source,
yeah,
isn't
yeah,
it?
that way, yeah.
So anyone who has a free repo can do it.
Yeah. Hey, Dad, what's that?
All right,
Like
cool.
emojis again.
Yeah. So that what's going on? That was that. Good to have you. Okay, cool. So shall we call it a night?
Yes. Cool. Thanks, guys, for joining in. I think
Thanks a lot,
um,
guys. Mhm.
we need to see what we need to do tomorrow, but for today, I guess we really made a lot of things work. So, yeah, I think today was a good session as well.
That's brilliant. Thanks, guys. And Andre, if you can prove that if you're happy, so then the code can be merged, that'll be really helpful. And in that way, we can keep the dev branch updated as well.
Yep.
Right?
Thank you. Andre.
Have a good night, guys, and we'll see you. um, better
Later.
late than never. That was that.
Bye.
Better late than never.
Let's come back tomorrow at 9:30 Melbourne time, and we'll be here.
Yeah, true. Right,
Okay.
guys, have a good night and
Good night.
see you guys tomorrow.
See you
Cheers.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.